Today we're going to show you a closer look at our budget-friendly push-pin world travel map. As they are ready to ship, they make great last-minute gifts. They are available in several color options, and you have the choice of 3 banner options as well: Our World Travels, My World Travels, or Adventure Awaits. Once you place an order with us, you can expect to receive your map rolled in this protective tube. Upon receiving, you'll want to remove the box of 100 map pins, the do-it-yourself instructions, and the map from the tube, where you'll also find that it's protected in a cellophane sleeve to keep it dry during transit. Printed on museum-grade, thick matte paper, they make great first wedding anniversary gifts, as well as gifts for grads, birthdays, and office decor. As the paper is thick, it does have a tendency to want to roll back up. Before mounting and framing your map, you will need to lay it flat for a couple of hours. We do recommend getting someone to help you, however you can do it yourself as long as you have some paperweights ready to go. Once your map is mounted and framed, you can begin to pin and plan your travels. For more ideas on travel and anniversary related gifts, please visit us at www.jessicawilkison.com or on Etsy at www.jwdesign.studio.